Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change a wallpaper without Windows activation here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now the case is when you try to search for your settings at the button search bar, okay, and when you click on open, okay, and when you click on the open at the left side of that, you would be able to see here a text or a sentence or an error, which is Windows is not activated. Your Windows is not activated. And when you try to bring up your personalization as well, it will show here your Windows is not activated. And when you try to bring up your background settings and try to change a wallpaper here, you won't be able to do so since it is being locked because your Windows is not activated. In my case, I don't get an error because I have already activated my Windows. Okay, that's why I am able to change here the wallpaper that I want to go with. But if you, in your case, you haven't activated your Windows and you would like to add or set a wallpaper in your Windows 11 PC or laptop, then in this video, I'll teach you how. Okay, so firstly, you need to bring up an image. Okay, so you can download an image from your favorite browser. It could be from the Google Chrome, from the Microsoft Edge, or any browser that is available to you. Just download it. Once you have downloaded it, please double tap it to open. Okay, so we just have to wait until it will be ready for us. Okay, so this kind of window would appear. We just have to wait until the picture or the image would be showing in this window. So from here, all you need to do is you need to click on the three dots here and go with this option called Set As. Just click on background, and in that few moment or few seconds, it will be set here at as the wallpaper in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you have just successfully changed the wallpaper of your Windows without any activation. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Please don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on changing or setting your wallpaper in your Windows 11 PC or laptop without any activation. So thank you and have a good day.